Emmett's about to eat a sour warhead.
All right, who wants to win some Diamondback tickets?
If he can get it open.
Be quiet. Alright, here's this thing. Alright, here
And
we go.
how far will Gabe
All right,
get?
so this one's going to be 4 tickets to the game and the club reserve.
How's that sour warhead? Oh! Oh!
Really big and
Sour!
Ah! Good job!
How's that canker white Yankee feeling?
Ashley
Just put it right on your canker sore. See how that
Ashley DeMillo. Ashley DeMillo.
It's getting sweet. It's getting sweet.
Did you lose your sight? Oh, your eyes are opening.
32 stakes.